Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Haller and I'm here with Nicolas Stuckens from Swift, and we're at Cybos 2016 in Geneva. Thanks very much for joining me.
You're welcome.
How has the financial crime compliance discussion changed since last year's Cybos?
I think there's two things really. The first one is that we see a real focus on effectiveness. I think the discussion in the past was how can we best comply with regulation. Now the discussion is really how can we successfully fight financial crime. And that focus on effectiveness, you see it at every level. It starts with the FATF, but also down to national law enforcement agencies and down to the institution level, where the focus is now really on making sure that their systems are working. And the second thing is the discussion around utilities. In the past, we were debating whether these utilities make sense for the industry. Now, I think there's no debate anymore that they make sense. The question is really how to best leverage them. We see that even regulators are talking about it, so that's really good.
What would you say is the number one challenge now for banks when it comes to tackling this area of compliance?
I think again it's down to making sure that their systems are working. There was a lot of focus in the past about the tools, the software that they were using. Now the focus is increasingly on the quality of the data. And a good example of that is the recommendation 16 from the FATF, which is focusing on the quality of the information in wire transfer. It's really, garbage in, garbage out. You can't expect that these systems are going to be working correctly, the monitoring systems, the screening systems, and the information that you feed to this system is not good.
In what areas are banks looking for more support in order to tackle their financial crime compliance obligations efficiently and effectively?
I think again it's down to using utilities. Typically what we see in these utilities is that we provide access to best-in-class technology, but also access to very good structured quality data and also standards and market practices. Typically these are developed by the industry for the industry to ensure that there is greater transparency and that you reduce the risk.
Nicolas, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching.